did you hear?
Silently staring at the ocean, waiting on you to get here.
I'm not gonna lie, my entire thing was soundless, so I'm probably gonna cut it out of the video. This is probably gonna be, hey guys. This is probably gonna be the first part of the video for me. Okay, so my entire thing was just straight soundless. So have we played this game before?
Yet.
No? No, we've never played this game, as
Totally.
we know nothing about this game. We are...
Only seen YouTube videos. Oh shit, I got
Yep.
two grenades,
We
holy
watched
shit.
Markiplier. Fuck you, Kelvin. He's kind of worthless, I'm not gonna lie.
We're totally not
I mean,
late to
from
this
what I've
game at
seen.
all.
No, we're never late. We're
We are
totally not late.
definitely not late to this game. Totally not like
Definitely not early either.
almost 2
Never
years
played
late.
any of it. Holy shit, this game is like 2 years old. Oh my
Almost,
god,
yeah.
you're right. What is that light? Oh, there we go. Don't worry, buddy. We got our autistic friend
So
at work
this looks
again.
like a cool little survival game.
Yeah, one that we've never played. Okay, so, what are we thinking for this? I think there's a spot that I think we should go find a place to build a base.
No, we have played the first game.
Oh yeah, we beat the first game.
The
How many
first game
times
was
did we beat
actually
the first
dope. I
game?
wish we would have recorded that.
I think we beat the first game twice. Well,
Why did
technically
I
we
just
did
find
record it.
3.9mm bullets this
I don't want to
on
talk
the
about it.
ground?
I don't want to talk about it. I didn't mean to tell you this, but I actually pooped 9mm bullets. That's actually
You
what I
beat
excrete from my
bullets.
body. I literally shit bullets. Some people sweat bullets, I shit bullets. That thing. Fuck the bird. Fuck the bird.
Okay, this is very kid friendly.
This is such a wholesome game.
Learn basics of construction? Screw that. Who wants construction? Huh? No
Oh,
one likes
they added
construction.
others. Oh, yeah, fuck construction. Aiden, every time we play one of these games, you are the construction man. And I'm the person beaver.
Hey,
I
bud.
literally have in my book of, you're a beaver, Nisha. You're mud.
I am not a beaver.
No,
You're
me,
a
Aiden, me.
Oh. Okay, I heard slushing in my ears.
I don't think that's normal. I think that you should probably get that checked out.
Well, it's totally not because we're in the ocean. Ooh, ooh,
What's an ocean?
ooh, candy.
Where are you? Cock-milking bastard. How dare you get the candy before me?
There's a lot of
Oh,
candy.
Aiden. The can opener was here the whole time.
There's a can opener?
Yep. Remember? Because cat food?
Oh,
Not
yeah.
that we know that, because the first game had cat food in it.
Oh yeah, definitely, 100%.
Oh, you know, buddy, I think we all know what I need to get. Really, just real quick. I think we know where all the priorities are.
Oh!
Oh
Hey,
my
there's
god,
oysters. There's oysters over here. Food. Yummy.
Aiden, we can't eat raw oysters. Is that
Yeah, you
is
can.
that a jellyfish?
Dude, I eat raw oysters all the time in real life.
For breakfast? No, Aiden. No, in the. I'll eat.
I'm literally already full. Look at that. Yum.
Don't
Dude,
you get
this
sick?
protein. No, I'm not sick.
What? There's a bug on my keyboard. Ah, it's on me. Every time.
I will eat all of you.
You're all mine.
We should pull a dream and like hype up our face reveal.
No.
Or like wear
I
masks.
will never do a face reveal.
I would do a face reveal.
You can. I'm not.
You're gonna wear a mask, and I'm gonna wear like one of those half masks. No, I'm not. I'm not hot. I don't think that would work. I'll just not wear a mask. I'll
What
just
was I
look
doing?
normal. Drugs.
I don't know what I. Oh yeah, medicine. I need pills.
I know what I'm doing. Hey, we should probably like make sure that we don't die before nightfall.
I like how
That's
we
probably
just engulf like an entire bottle of fucking Percocets.
Oh yeah, all day, every day. Fucking perks all
Dude, our liver is like hanging from a strand.
Our liver is fucking nuked, dude. Absolutely nuked. I found some Devil's Club.
I got some stickies.
Dude, part of having a YouTube channel, we can find people that like our shit now. Like, I can go flip flop. I got my head on a string, and someone out there will know what that means.
I don't think we're gonna get any popularity, but I'm hoping for it.
God damn it, Aiden. We're gonna be famous one day, and then someone's gonna come back to this video and be like, I'm a Nine Inch Nails fan. I know what that bitch is talking about. That fucking child groomer, or some shit, because we're gonna end up in
Child
controversies.
groomer. We're already gonna be fucking banned.
That goddamn ukulele
Kelvin,
playing child grooming.
Oh, Kelvin, you piece of shit. Oh,
Kelvin.
man.
Wait.
You
So, from what I've
are
heard,
not
from never
okay,
playing the
man.
game before. So, from what I've heard from never playing the game before, we need cooking pots. From what I've heard from never
Where
playing.
the fuck do we
That's
find cooking pots in the middle of the forest?
From what I've heard from never playing the game before. Where the fuck did the squirrel?
I don't remember.
I fucking hate
Was there
that.
cooking pots in the first game?
Oh shit, I don't think there were. Wait, shit, were there? I'm physically no, because we could have achieved the vegan playthrough if there were.
Yeah, that
Remember
makes
that
sense.
impossible achievement that we never got?
I recorded for 0.5 seconds and already killed a squirrel at the beginning of our quote-unquote vegan playthrough.
We should probably upload that video to this channel. No.
Hey Major, I forgot we
It's
have
too
name
low
tags
quality.
off.
Well, I believe in you, buddy. Good luck ever finding me.
I can
Ignore
just
the
use
map. Don't look at the map. It's unrelated. You don't want to know where I'm going.
GPS, whatever it is.
I have my priorities in order. Oh my god, I'm gonna get immediately killed. I just realized that.
I'm trying my best not to cuss because the more we cuss, the probably less views we get. I don't know how it works.
You're right. Okay. How much have I been cussing? I'm not gonna lie, I haven't been paying attention.
Who gives a shit?
If you, Aiden, that is a no-no word.
YouTube, I'm trying. All right, it's really hard.
That's what you know, man.
Hey Major, I found an effigy that I built.
Wow, really give me a chance to come look at it. Oh, I think I'm at the shovel spot that I don't know about. That I know about from online. It's from the online.
Hey Calvin, you know what? Yeah, follow me.
I got my arms this, I got my head on a spring. Well, you on my side. I haven't got bugging anything.
Are they good? Oh.
What? There's nothing
no.
here. Raccoons! Raccoons!
Major?
I don't want to talk about it.
I may or may not have a red mushroom, and I may or may not be pretty sick.
Oh, fucking. Stop eating shit. Stop eating things you find on the ground.
No,
it's a bad habit.
I know it's bad.
I will. I
should have probably guessed that
bastard.
at the beginning.
I think that I want to walk directly into a cave. I think that's my first idea.
Should've
Yep,
probably
it's
guessed
the
those
place that I
mushrooms
didn't
is
know
bad.
about.
They're
I'm
blood
not
red
looking
and
online.
has spots on them. I'm just following
You
this
did not
path.
die in one hit. You horrible demon. I hate raccoons.
Those raccoons? I want to see
I
a
don't want to
raccoon.
talk about it. They T-pose at you and then run
I'm gonna
away
eat
before
every
you can
single
kill
mushroom.
them.
Oh, that mushroom is good. Hell yeah.
Hey buddy, did you know that you level up in this game?
Misha?
You're such a good actor. Where is this? What is this?
Misha?
Oh fuck.
Misha?
Hey buddy,
Misha?
are you getting killed by
Misha?
Dirtman too? There's a
No,
Dirtman. He's trying to eat me.
I know nothing about no dirt man, but I do know something about a giant dude holding a boat motor. Oh shit!
Dude, the multi-perspective channel is
Oh, he's
gonna be
walking
so
away.
fucking.
Yeah, fear me,
I just went
bitch.
to a forest. This is gonna be so funny when we upload our videos to the channel and see
Fear
them
me.
first.
Fear me.
I don't want to know what's happening. Dear, you don't die after one.
Oh shit! Oh, they do a lot of damage.
Nathan, why are you trying to melee combat some giant dude holding a boat motor?
I tried to melee combat one of his henchmen,
Oh
and his
wow,
henchman took
that's.
half my health away.
Why didn't you just run away like me?
He can run.
He can run.
No, like he can run fast.
Hey,
Oh,
buddy.
dude, he can run fast.
I think I found one of those henchmen you were talking about.
Is he trapped?
I'm just gonna run past them. Aiden, I'm not scared of them. They don't look scary to me. Hello, sir. How are you? Hi.
He's hiding
Hello,
in a
raccoon.
bush.
I like bushes. I'm gonna run now.
Man,
Running
I wish I had
away.
a gun.
Yeah, me too.
Is he
Me
afraid
too.
of the water like the first? No, he is not. He's not afraid of the water, Misha. Misha, he killed Kelvin.
I miss my son.
Kelvin's dead.
Oh.
Kelvin's
Oh
dead.
wait,
He's dead.
but you can't revive him?
I don't know. He's on the ground.
Go up and revive him. Lick
I'm
him
kinda
in the
getting
face right
chased.
now. Stop coming and go lick him. Oh, hello, sir. Oh, Aiden, I found those effigies you were on about. Hey, look at this guy. He looks smexy-licious. I'm gonna eat you, good sir. Hey, should I be a cannibal? Oh!
Oh wait, Kelvin got back up on himself, on his own.
He does all of my health
Cool.
in one hit.
He's just standing there menacingly. He's like the deer
Oh.
answer. Nope, run. Kelvin,
Oh,
run. I
Aiden.
run.
Did you want
Kelvin.
to place your bets that who would die first? Because it was actually me. Even though there was one guy, and I just smacked him.
Did you die?
Yeah, he smacked me once in the face. He just hit me in the face. Oh, fuck no. Fuck no. Fuck no.
How did you get so far away?
I don't want to talk about it. Fuck no. 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 Fuck. Oh, well, Aiden, we definitely surpassed our limit with my little song there of fear. My song of fear.
Yeah.
Dude, the water in this game
Well
is so
then,
realistic.
you guys look like you're having a fun party.
Fish! Aiden, I just found a new economy.
I got a pamphlet.
I found fish, dude. I found fucking
Dude,
fish.
I found a
And also,
pamphlet, okay?
the water is realistic.
You will find meaning in life again. I don't think so.
Oh. Yeah, Aiden, you've already found your meaning.
Dude, my meaning is Tarkov.
Remember that one cult? The one I told you about this morning?
What?
The one where they said Jesus was a lady.
Okay, no, stop.
That was like Mother God or some shit, and like Father God was actually Satan, and it's actually kind of sexist, like really sexist.
Well,
And then
they
like,
are, they're,
and then
what the
it's
hell?
called the Love
They're
Has
not good
One
people.
cult or some shit.
They're
Those are like
strange.
guys.
They need help. They need help.
Even the podcaster was talking about how sexist it was. Oh, you land on the water. Hey, imagine if there were sharks in this game. Wouldn't that be funny?
The sharks in the last one, so there's bound to be ones in this
There
one.
were sharks in the last game?
Oh, hey, I found some tents.
I don't think there's a
Looks
shark in
like
this
someone
game.
else found them too. Oh, money.
I think the tents found me. Oh,
Dude, I found frame rate drop. Crazy.
you might want to come over here. I just found something better than frame rate drop.
I
You know
think
how
anything's
pistols
better than frame
exist?
rate drop. Huh?
You know how pistols exist?
Hold up, is there a gun? Is there a pistol? Wait,
I
is there
don't know what you're
pistols
talking.
at every single purple dot?
I wish. No, I went to one purple dot and it was like a shovel, and this purple dot over here, I'm gonna stand at it because I want you to come to me. Because I
Is
don't
there a
think. Do
pistol?
you have the purple? I will not reveal
There's a pistol, isn't there?
womanly secrets. I will not
Womanly secret?
reveal.
What is the... What is it? Kelvin, your fucking feet.
Stop insulting feet. What did
Well,
he ever
whenever
do to you?
he's running up on you, you know?
Can you hurry up and come over here? Because I'm pretty sure that I'm
Okay,
scared.
pull out your map and look how far away I am. Alright?
You're not that far
I'm
away.
coming, alright?
You can walk here. Okay. Oh,
I don't think
hello.
you want me to walk there. I'm slow.
I walked there. Hey, you're faster
Why
than
is
me.
there
I
just
know you.
random tarps and boxes?
For funsies. At least you're not in a random book. Wow. Holographic World by Patrick M. Knight. I wonder what kind of connection that has to the lore. I dare a seagull to come here. I
Berries.
dare a single,
Seagull.
a single seagull to land over here.
I found dead deer with spears in them.
That probably was my fault. I'm kidding. I haven't gotten to kill anything.
Kelvin, I'm about to smack you.
I'm kind of scared to go back in the water,
Dude,
and
I
for
heard a
some
giant
reason,
crunch behind me, and I spin around as Kelvin just like, hey, how's it going?
oh my god, I thought my armor bar was my stamina bar. I'm so brain dead, dude. I'm so brain.
Oh shit, there's a skunk. Holy shit, it's trying to spray me.
I think you get sick of this crazy.
I just got sprayed at by a skunk.
Like, stop getting distracted by every nature
Well,
thing.
it was in the middle of the
Disney
path,
princess, you
alright?
fucking Disney princess, get over here. I'm so glad we can record all our shit. 6 feet tall. Oh wait, that says 6 people. I'm so afraid. God damn. Where? I feel scared about jumping into that water. Can you come pick me up? I'm scared.
Yeah.
I'm sure it'll be fine.
Do you
It
know how
looks
long
safe
we've been
enough.
recording?
No, Aiden. I don't. Probably about 30 minutes. Crazily enough, actually. Probably like 20 minutes.
Alright.
You know what? I don't think there are sharks in this game.
I got a skull.
I don't think sharks are. I am scared. Oh no!
You good?
Oh god! Damn it! Aiden!
Yeah.
I just got bored! You know that SCP game we play? That game is not fucking scary compared to the shit I just got jump scared with.
You good?
No, I'm just fucking screaming. My sleeping mom is right next to me, by the way. She's not coming down. You can hear a full-blown scream. I was not expecting that.
I'm guessing
I hope I don't
due to that
whistle.
orange thing. Oh, cool. It's your
Oh.
fault.
Yes, go to the orange thingy, Aiden. Have fucking fun. I'm not doing that shit. Fuck
Yeah,
everything.
go pamper Kelvin. I'm tired of pampering that.
I hope Kelvin sits. Can we just put Kelvin in one spot and he like deal with that? Because I don't want to. I'm gonna go.
What the?
Have fun. Have fun. Go nuts.
I just took damage. Like, a lot of damage.
Yeah. Yeah. You're
I might die.
Want that. Oh. So fun. So fucking funny. I've
No,
died
like,
twice.
actually, I might die.
Aiden, you've only died once. I've died twice. I don't want to hear it out of you. Or you died 0. It's worse. It's worse, Aiden.
But,
You know how bad that looks on me? Good luck.
I'm dead.
Actually, I didn't lose my stuff.
Oh shit, there's a shark. I didn't
Yeah,
know there's sharks in this game.
I got so jump scared because I was just vibing in the water. I turn around and all I see is a giant shark face and I'm dead. It was beautiful, honestly. But there is like a pistol in there.
Oh, thanks for burning it.
What? You knew there was a pistol. Kind of. You guessed. Okay, you implied.
Yeah, I pretty much guessed.
Okay, I'm gonna get a weapon. I forgot that you don't. I'm gonna get a bow, okay? Hey, buddy, you think I can survive off of one bow? And no other melee weapon? I don't want to talk. Oh, that's why. Oh, yep. Arrows. And then I die.
Oh, hey, I didn't know I could take that. Means I got a pot.
Oh, you got a pot before me?
Yeah, I got a pot.
Where are you?
Come here.
I'm coming. I'm coming.
It's almost nighttime, so I'm gonna set up camp.
I'm coming. I'm coming. I was about to go to the other thing, but this is more important because I need pot, dude. I need pot so bad. And not like that.
Alright, weedhead.
And they're called potheads. They're literally called potheads. If you put a pot on top of your head, does that make you a pothead?
Yes.
To mention for our dear viewers that it is currently 3:43 a.m. It is almost 4 in the morning.
Who cares?
So, our brain cells are not at full functionality. We're gonna wake up tomorrow. We're gonna be like, is that a YouTube channel? When did we do this? Don't yawn at me. Mom's gonna be salty with me because she's gonna be like, Misha, you woke up at 12 today, and tomorrow you're gonna wake up at what? You know, whatever time I wake up tomorrow. Look at you. I'm supposed to be driving, like, so.
Oh, Kelvin,
Whoa,
come on, man.
whoa, what the?
You good?
Do you remember? Do you remember the first game when you dropped a tree on the church we built?
I don't want to talk about that.
It hurt my soul. So where's the
Alright, don't eat my
thing?
berries.
I don't have the flashlight.
You know.
Where is the funny? Aiden, where is the funny? Where is it? Where is it? I
I'll
can't
show
find
you.
it. You know what? I don't need you to show me. I'm a strong, independent. Filling out, putting a lighter on. Strong,
If anyone's
independent
wondering how I know how to do this, Markiplier.
Beautiful, beautiful Markiplier.
Yes.
You know, he has an OnlyFans.
It's all clickbait.
I know it's all clickbait. It makes me sad. But I do have a friend that has a job. His name's Dorian. I think he could hook me up. God, Aiden, I ran past it, didn't I? Did you make a bonfire? Please tell me you didn't make a bonfire.
No.
Oh, no, you never said that.
I can switch modes. It's just like the first game.
Yep, that's exactly. Was Kelvin? Hi, Kelvin. Me and you haven't interacted very much, but you're a beautiful specimen.
Oh, there's a woman. There's a woman.
I for. Yeah.
Kill it. Kill it.
No, don't hurt her. Don't hurt her. Don't hurt her. She's a friendly woman.
Better
I
get
know
the
that those
hell
things
outta
don't.
here.
Is that a bat? That's a seagull. Oh my god, Misha.
Alright, Kelvin, I'm gonna need a favor from you. I can't see.
And where is the pot?
I forgot. I gotta deal with you. It's right here.
So much. You know what? There were some things I didn't use very much in the Forest playthrough that I'm gonna use a lot in this playthrough. Did we have guns in the Forest? Or was
No.
is that
No, we didn't.
Oh, well, I'm gonna use my gun a lot this game in particular. Okay,
I mean, we got grenades, so.
we have guns, Aiden.
And grenades. I got grenades.
What is a grenade? You're a grenade.
I'll show you.
Oh, I don't think that I want you to show me. Remember my interaction with a grenade when we were in Antarctica? Remember how that went?
Misha, stand still
Yeah,
for a
but-
second.
Okay. Why? Hey, no, hey, no. You just scared the living crap out of that lady, okay? That lady we do not know anything about. We don't know her name.
I showed you the explosive.
Good job. Good job. You done did diddly do good. You done did diddly do good job.
Did a diddly dumb good job.
You done did diddly do a good job. You done did diddly do a good job.
Hey, Major, come here.
Why?
Why do you keep bleeding?
I was getting some water. You're like, our camp is next to the ocean.
I need. Okay,
Well,
that's
it wasn't giving me a prompt. Okay. Oh, I just did not mean to randomly pull a gun out. I'm so sorry.
She's a naked woman in the forest, pulls out a gun.
Yeah, Aiden, your priorities are amazing. I can't make chicken noodle soup.
Go to sleep.